Alt text is also called alternative text and is essential for creating a better user experience for all your visitors. It makes your help center accessible to people with visual impairments and low vision. Also, we're certain that alt text is super important for SEO and is also essential for creating a better user experience for all your visitors. In this video, I will show you 2 ways you can change the alternate text for images in your Zendesk Help Center. Unfortunately, setting or changing the alt text for an image in Zendesk Guide is not quite simple. It requires you to go edit the article, then from here you need to look at the source code, the HTML code, find the image in the HTML code, which could take quite a bit of time, and so search image. Okay, find the image, and then I'll add the alt text here, right? So that's the login screen. Sorry. And then apply and save it and publish it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a different way to change the alt text, which is using our tool, the Help Center Manager for Zendesk, and it will just take just a few clicks. So you go to the media tab here. This is where you have all your images indexed from your Help Center. Scroll, find your image that doesn't have alt text, like this one. Open it in the image preview here. Click on Change Alt Text and click on Generate with AI. In just a few seconds, the alt text will be generated, as you can see here. And not just that, but also you will update the HTML code for each of your articles where that image is present. So yeah, just a few clicks, much easier than using a guide, and give it a go. That should help.